Hello, team. In the last video, we have talked about the config file options in part 1 and part 2. Okay. So now we will talk about the format options, right? So we need to generate the reports and, we want to see, a good console output, right? Okay. So we will discuss about what kind of reports we can generate and what kind of formats you can specify. Okay. So this is the official documentation. So let's start one by one, right? Okay. So far you can see, we have used all these options. Okay. So as of now, I am removing these tags. Okay. And we'll remove this. Okay. So here we have option something called format. Okay. So here you can specify what report you want to generate, right? For example, I want to generate HTML. Okay. I want to see the console output as a HTML. Okay. So see here, I am gonna run there, what you can say, npx -js test. Okay. So you see, there has been execution has been done, and after that you can see it has printed everything in the console, which is in the HTML format. Okay. Apart from HTML, you can see, okay, what is the use of it? I'm going to show you what exactly we can do it using HTML, JSON, and all. Okay, as of now, we are not writing to any file. I simply said format, I simply said HTML. The execution has been done, and after that, the report has been printed in the console in the HTML format. Okay. Now, what if I say JSON? Right? What if I say JSON? Run the program again. You see, the execution is done. Okay. Whatever the scenarios are there, features are there, everything got executed. After that, the report is coming in the form of JSON. But is it saving to any file? No, it is not saving. It is only printing on the console. We will save it to a file also. As of now, I'm just showing you only what different types we have. First one, we have seen HTML. Second one, we have seen JSON file. Second one, third one, let's say JUnit. Okay, let's say JUnit. You can see everything got executed. After that, in the XML format, it is displaying. And the XML format, it is displaying. You can see HTML format you have, right? And also you can JSON format you have, JUnit you have. Okay. You also have snippets and you also have usage also. Let's say if I say usage, what will happen? Okay, let's try it usage and try running your script. You see this? Okay. So everything coming in the form of, in a tabular format, right? So you can see what is the advantage over here, right? Unless until we are not going to save it to a file, there is no meaning, right? Okay. There is no meaning for it. Okay? So it is very easy. For example, let's say talk about JSON file. Okay. If you run, what is happening after the run? It is printing on the console, but my requirement is not to print. I want to save it to a file. It is very easy. Simply say colon. Okay. Let's say my JSON output. Okay. Extension will be JSON. Simply, we didn't do anything. We specified semicolon followed by the file there. Let's try running this time. You see this? Everything got executed. No console print. It has created one file, which is a JSON file. See how simple it is to generate any kind of report in Cucumber.js. Okay. It will show you, each and every feature wise, step wise, what happened, what is the status, what is the duration, everything it will be printed. Okay. So what if I say, instead of JSON, if I say HTML, okay, HTML, and my HTML output, okay, my HTML output dot HTML. Okay, I did not put anything. I simply say HTML colon followed by the file name. Okay, let's try running it and see what will happen. You see, there is a HTML file generated. What I will do, I will open it in the folder. Okay, you see this report got generated. How simple it is. We didn't do anything, to be honest. right? We simply set format. I said, okay, HTML colon file. And you see it is generating at the root level. Can I can I put it in a separate folder? Let's say I want to create a new folder, say reports, test reports. It could be anything, reports. Can I store it over there? Yes, absolutely you can do. Okay. What I will do, I will delete these two. And one more question. Can I generate both HTML and JSON? Yes, you can do it. Okay. Let's do let's do that together. I'm gonna delete these two, delete and delete. Okay. So here I will simply say reports reports slash this one. Simple. I will copy this. This is array. You can specify any number of values. Here I will say JSON. Here I will say my JSON output. My JSON output dot JSON dot JSON. Can I do it for the JUnit as well? Yeah, no issues. JUnit. My JUnit output dot, it will be XML. Okay. Let's try running it and see what will happen. It should create 3 files for us now. Okay. Go to the report. You see here. First XML, followed by JSON file report, followed by HTML report. Of course, HTML should be opened in the console, I mean, in the browser. Okay. So you can see how easy it is for us. For example, I want to say usage. I want to save the usage file reports. Okay, report slash usage.txt. Let's see what will happen. Okay, you see this? The text file, whatever earlier it is printing on the console, now it is coming to where? Text file. Okay, so this is I can say wonderful feature from Cucumber JS, where we did not add any external libraries. Whatever we have, Cucumber slash Cucumber, that's it. We didn't add anything. Okay, so by default, it supports these many. Along with it, you also have 1 second. You also have the what is message. Generally, we don't use much, but I don't know how it will come. Let me try the usage one. Okay, usage, message, not message. Okay, let me try this. Even I did not try. Okay, it is coming in the form of like this, some JSON kind of thing, right? Let's try storing this in reports slash message.txt or JSON. Let's see first store it in the text file and see what will happen. Okay. Okay, it is kind of detailed, which is similar to JSON. Let's try putting this in message.json and see what will happen. Okay, but it is not adding the comma, right? So better will be text file. Okay, if you want, then only. Okay, I would suggest HTML, JSON, XML would be enough to parse if you want to generate a custom report. Okay, yeah. So these are all the options, and you have few more options. Okay, you can try by your own summary, where it will print on the console with the detailed information like this. Progress, if you specify the progress, these are all like you can see the dots in progress bar, nothing but a how the progress is going on. Okay, these are all console level. Whatever I have shown you is a physical, like you can generate a file out of it. Okay, what are all the options you specified over here, right? You can also specify progress bar or whatever it is, you can specify here. Whatever the options it is being given over here, right? Progress bar, you can specify here. Okay, but these are all options. You can store externally to a file, and which folder you want, you can store it. It is in very easy manner. Type of format, column, where you want to store it. Okay, you can store it in a txt file, you can store it in the XML, JSON, HTML, right? Okay, so these are all comes by default. We don't need to add any external dependencies. Of course, you can integrate Allure, you can integrate some different things, but yeah, these are all the default that comes to your project when you add the Cucumber /Cucumber. Okay, I hope the things are clear. Thanks for watching.